Hi, I'm Cole Jagger. I'm a front-end mechanic and I changed the outside rear tire on James Hinchliff's car for the Schmidt Peterson Motorsports number 5 car. Lincoln Tech has played a big role in where I am today. Had it not been for them, I wouldn't have had the knowledge and the people surrounding me in that facility to get me where I am today. Students can benefit from this program because you actually get to get hands-on and see what we do day to day. It gives you motivation in the classroom to drive yourself to do what we do every day. There's a lot you can see and learn each time you come to the racetrack. There's a lot of energy going on throughout this paddock. You get to see how we set up the race cars, all the processes that go into it that you learn on a daily basis at Lincoln Tech carry over to what we do here every day. I wouldn't be where I am at today without Lincoln Tech. Thanks to their mentorship program, you too can learn about my world and how to be involved in the pinnacle of motorsports.